Welcome to Arduino series for beginners, and this is part 5 of the series. And today we will talk about how can we make a buzzer play a melody with your Arduino. So that's a question we are going to cover in this video. So to make this project, what exactly you need? You need Arduino Uno or Nano if you have, and then a buzzer. I have two buzzers, but I will use this one, the small one. The sound quality is good of this buzzer. And then you need two jumper wires and a breadboard. So that's all you need. The circuit setup is quite simple. I will also share the code link of my blog, official blog, where you can go ahead and copy the code, also see the circuit setup and how the code is going to work. So everything will be shared in this video. So we have to connect one leg of the buzzer to ground and another to pin 8 of Arduino. It's extremely simple circuit setup for this project, and the project is very good for beginners. When you upload and test the code, you will see how simple it is. Okay, so circuit setup is done. Now it's time to upload the code. Now go to this location, the URL which you see on the display on the screen, and scroll down. You see the circuit setup and you have the code here. So just copy the code from here and paste into Arduino IDE. You can also see the explanation in the blog.